Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful event venue layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the event venue layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. Really customized. You have a stunning color palette with custom images, custom illustrations, and just everything you need to set up a beautiful website. So if you want to lay your hands on this beautiful layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs, or you can scroll down until you come across the event venue layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually having to install it on your website first. So say for instance you really enjoyed the landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the event venue layout pack. Click on it, select a layout of your choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. Now, as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So, of course, you can modify written content within certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your entire page design. So, say, for instance, you really want to change the font that's being used over here, you can do that in the heading text settings, and you can target all of the modules and everywhere where this font's being used at once by right-clicking the heading font over here, clicking on Find and Replace, and we're going to replace this font within this page with another font of our choice. Let's just take Carla for instance, and we'll also tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font, and then we'll click on Replace. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout. It gives it a new look and feel, and you can do that with basically any kind of option within any kind of design element using Divi. So go ahead and play around with this beautiful layout pack and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.